Welcome to Remax United. I'm Cheyenne Terraciano, and our goal is to enrich the lives of the realtors who call Remax United their home.
Hi, I'm Larry McGee, Sales Manager. My primary function at Remax United is to provide the fundamental training, coaching, and support to assist our agents in achieving their goals and rising to their ultimate heights that they aspire to.
Hi, I'm Kenny Terraciano, and we are Remax. Remax is the #1 real estate franchise in the US. With 3 offices in San Diego County, we have the reach, marketing, advertising, training, and agent support to take your real estate career to new heights.
What that means is, I believe in being available to our agents to help them solve whatever problems they encounter in their real estate career. My motto is to never be more than one phone call away. My name's Walt Klein, and I'm the General Manager at Remax United.
You know, when you read our mission statement, it says to enrich the lives of others. However, I think our agents enrich our lives. I feel fortunate that we're able to lead some of the most productive and educated agents.
Absolutely. And if you walk into any of our offices in Southern California, you quickly realize it is about far more than business. It's about family.